Hello guys and welcome to our world trip. And in this video we are covering the must try cafes in Rishikesh. So we are covering our the most favorite cafes in this video. So let's go for the first cafe, which is Honey Hut Cafe. They have huge variety and you can simply pick anything. I'll tell you one thing, that will be delicious for sure. We just love the ambience, food, service, everything of this cafe. We ordered a coffee and a chocolate pastry and it was super delicious. They make their own honey and they have amazing variety in it. So you can try anything, you can pick anything from here, and in fact you can order online as well. So we just love this cafe. And yes, this is Beatles Cafe. This is the most favorite cafe. It has